collected some drugs. Actually, I had a little, like, I didn't pay a dime, and that's because you already have your card. Okay, good day guys, welcome to today on Princess Anu-TV, and hope you're fine, hope you've been doing great. Actually, today we are going to be going for a general checkup in the clinic. I'm not sick, so don't bother yourself too much thinking about that. I'm not sick, I just want to do a general checkup. But we are going to be using our health insurance card as an aviator. You know, they give us this health insurance card in flight school, and a lot of persons don't know how to use it. So I'm going to be taking you through the process of using it. This is going to be going now is going to be my second time, because I've used it before at home. Newly, when I came home, I think that was last year December or so. I was feeling sick, so I had to use the card. I just remember that a lot of persons don't know how to use it, and it's important that I show you the process, how to use this card, so that when you're sick you don't have to spend so much money treating yourself at home by yourself. You can use this card. It's okay guys, not that you don't have to spend too much money. You're not going to be spending any money at all, because it's an insurance card. Like, it's already been paid for. Every single thing you need is already been paid for. So we are going to be using this card. So stay tuned guys, and let's go through the whole process. I'm going to be seeing you in a jiffy. Let's do everything. But by the way, I've done my morning devotion. Like, you know, morning devotion is very, very important. So I've done that. I've brushed my teeth already, so I just need to do the remaining dress, and we'll be out of here. So see you guys. Okay guys, we are set to go, but you know that there are some essentials you should definitely not forget when packing your bags, e.g. your nose mask. Very, very important. Like, you can't afford to forget your nose mask. Not only that, I'm going to be putting this in my bag. Let me quickly sort this out. Then also, you don't have to forget your card. Obviously, that's the card you're going to be using for the whatever thing you're going to do. Like, either you're going to do for a checkup or you're sick. And also, you can go with a pen, because sometimes, you know, when you go to hospital, you might have to write something and all that, so you go with a pen. So I'm going to be packing these things in my bag, and we're going to be moving. Come on, are you feeling me? I'm not sick, just general checkups are very, very important, so that's why I'm like, oh. Okay guys, we're going to be eating bread and tea. So this Nescafe for the tea. It's quite hot. I don't know. Yes, and see. Yep, we're going to be taking this. I learned this method actually from my dad, and he smashed the eggs and put it in the bread, and it's always nice, like very, very nice. So guys, he sets a table before me in the presence of my enemies. No, he sets a table also. If you're my enemy, he's setting a table. Anyways, that's by the way guys, breakfast is one of the most important meals, and you have to always eat breakfast. So I'm going to be taking my breakfast now before we go out, to avoid them diagnosing something that is not there. Sometimes we are not just sick, we are not sick at all, in fact, but hunger can be a problem. So, and seriously guys, in this time, this is not the best time to fall sick at all. Like, you don't be falling sick at this time, because you may start diagnosing something that is not there. So do well to eat well, take care of yourself, so that you avoid unnecessary going to the hospital, but once in a while to have your general checkups or something. It's sweet. You can have your bites. Remind me guys, I don't think the bread is too big. It's not that big. You can see it's not that big. First someone says, oh my gosh, it's too much, blah blah blah. Anyways, to stay healthy, that's what matters. So guys, I'm going to be eating fast so that we can go without wasting so much of your time, so you can see how the whole process is done. To avoid any wahala. Okay. Yep, we are there. No, this one. Dude, open this thing for me. So just get off hard. So just give it to them and a viewer. They're gonna give you a card. So waiting for the general checkup now. This thing is scary.
I thought it's for me, but
No. It's United, so yeah. It's for school. So guys, I'm done. I've collected some drugs. Actually, I had a little gum. Why say gum issue? So they gave me some drugs. I'll be showing you, but I didn't pay a dime, and that's because you already have your card. So we are going to be talking more when we go home. So see you guys, bye. So guys, we are back, and I kind of branched some other places to do some other things, and I'm looking so stressed, I know already, and I think I need to eat. But anyways, that's by the way. Guys, these are drugs that they gave me some drugs. I'm not supposed to be showing you the drugs so that you don't go buying drugs that you don't know anyway. But I think out of the drugs that they gave me, out of all of them, the most important to me is the vitamin C. Vitamin C is very, very important. And I think whenever I always go for this gum issue, they always talk about vitamin C, vitamin C. So it's very important, guys, for you to take vitamin C. If you've not been taking vitamin C, I think you should do well to take natural fruits like cucumber, pineapple, orange, all those things. You need to be taking them so that you don't have like any issues with your gum, your mouth, with your whatever. Guys, in summary, I just want to quickly talk about the whole process. You just take your card to the clinic. They make a card for you. You can pick any clinic. The reason why I picked the one I went to, which is Unity, I think Unity Medical Center or something. The reason why I picked that was because it's close to the area where I am. So you just need to look for any medical center that is close to the area where you are. Pick that one so that it's going to be easy for you to like move from your house to the place. And when you do that, the clinic is going to get a card for you. So it doesn't matter what sickness you have, at least to an extent. I don't think you're going to be having serious issues. So maybe you have a slight headache. You want to make sure that your temperature, your body mass index, all those things is okay. You can just walk up to any of the clinics. You're not going to be paying anything. If you have any issues at all, they're going to be giving you drugs and you will not pay nothing. Today, I didn't spend a dime except for my transport. And like, if you're mobile or you have a car where you are, you can just quickly drive down there, or maybe you can follow your mom or your dad. Like the first time when I went, I actually went with my mom. And so it was completely free because I didn't even pay for transport. My mom drove me there. So guys, that's how it is, the whole process. And so they give you the drugs that you need, they give you everything. I don't know how they work to get in their money, but obviously it's an insurance health stuff, so definitely they know how to get their money. So guys, that's all on how to use the health card, like the medical card, the health card insurance for students, for aviators. If you're an aviator, whether an engineer, whether a pilot, whether a dispatcher, I know they give these things the moment you come to school. The only thing is that some people take it for granted and they don't collect, and so they get to miss chances like this, spending their own money, taking care of themselves. So the school has put in everything in order to take care of you, and so it all depends. Are you taking advantage of this thing? So guys, I just told you how the whole process went, and I've used it. This is my second time of using it, so it's not like, oh, maybe the first time was a trial and error. This is the second time and it works. So if you've not been using your card and you've been allowing your parents pay for something they've already paid for, I think you're so wrong. You need to start using that card. Anyways, but I don't pray for you to fall sick, guys. To be sincere, I'm going to be telling you my mind. Let me keep those drugs aside. This particular vlog you're watching now was one of the scariest vlogs I've done this year. Now, I mean to say, guys, why I mean one of the scariest vlogs I've done this year is because me going to the clinic, I'm like, oh my god, this is the wrongest time to go to the clinic. I thought about it like, oh, should I do this? Should I not do this? Should I wait? Should I not wait? Come on, guys, please don't fall sick. You don't want to go to the clinic at this time. This is one of the wrong times to go to the clinic. So just try as much as possible not to fall sick. Take care of yourself. But if you must go, make do with your health insurance card and stop spending your own money, because these things have already been paid for. So guys, wish me good luck as my gum gets better quickly. But trust me, it's already getting better because I already started taking care of myself even before thinking about going to the clinic. So like you can see, it's getting better. So guys, we meet in the live stream by God's grace and also in other videos. Cheers guys.